Hello and welcome to our bonfire night vlog. We started off by having a Christmas Costa drink and it was really nice. My first Christmas Costa drink and look at the mugs. So nice, aren't they, Jackie?
Yeah.
And we had a Black Forest hot chocolate. Oh dear, that's video. Theo is here. I'm here. There's Jackie. Theo is enjoying his glow stick. There's Zachary. And this one. Whee! Can you see it? A little bit.
That was a good part.
You got your milk. Whee! Theo.
Guys, I named my Muppet night out. I just imagine if I put this guys, imagine if I was charging and little
What is it? Is it fire? Yeah, you can see. You can see. We're putting out the fire now. Can you see it? Is it scary? Is it? Theodore's sleeping. Erin! Hooray!
Stop before you put.
Oh, is that nice?
Stop!
Ooh. That was nice. Bang, bang, bang. Oh, it's so cute. Whoa.
Emma.
Are they good? Yeah, there's more coming, hopefully. Ready? Woo! They're nice, aren't they? More! Oh, that's lovely. Whee! Yeah. Ready, go! Whee! Look at that! Wow! Is that nice? Yeah. Whee! Whee! That is so nice.
Guess what I make in Minecraft? What we're watching right now. Wow.
Wow.
Yeah.
Have one later. Whoa.
Ready now.
Whoa. Good boy, Zachary. You're doing well. You're doing great. Woo.
Legs.
Yeah, there are lots of lights. Ready, go. Oh.
Emma. Emma.
Yeah, no.
At the summer I went to I saw fireworks. Go.
Ready, go. Whee. Whoa.
Legs. Legs.
They are loud. Was it nice, Jackie?
So,
It was okay, she said. We're heading home. We have got the long walk home, haven't we, Jackie? Yeah. In a bit of rain, which is always nice, but every time we go to that fireworks, it always rains, doesn't it, Jackie? Yeah. So it's a bit of a tradition now. But Theodore's sleeping peacefully, and Zachary's just in the pram, and hopefully we're going to get some hot chocolate and cakes. Aren't we, Jackie? Yeah, hoping so. Zachary and Jackie coming up the path. Hello. Hello, dear. I just thought I'd end the vlog here. We had an amazing time at the fireworks, and I'm so happy that my sister came with me, and Zachary and Theodore both really enjoyed the bonfire. Theodore slept through the fireworks in the baby wrap, but Zachary really enjoyed watching them, and Theodore loved playing with the glow sticks, and Zachary wasn't so keen, but he really enjoyed cuddling up and watching the fireworks together. I hope you enjoyed our vlog.